Hello my friends, how are you? This is our last full day here in California. We decided to drive out to Napa and have a Napa day with the family. We're gonna go to Farmstead, our favorite restaurant. They have the beignets with the caramel sauce.
Oh, yeah.
It's so good. And then we're gonna do an olive oil tasting with the kids. And then I think some gelato. And then we'll head back.
Castle,
oh, the castle. I've been wanting to go to the castle. Like, I never, like, every time we're here for some reason, I'm like, oh no, we don't have to go to the castle. But I want to because we don't live here no more.
Guys.
Cheers for my ice tea.
Cheers, guys, right here.
Look at Jakey with his Shirley Temple.
Cheers, look at him.
That is so cool.
It's so cute. That appetizer is interesting. It's like crumb fresh with salmon.
It's like a salmon
And then
spread.
you mix it up and put it on the bread.
Bread is good.
Yeah? Okay, bread boy. There was a time when Jacob did not eat bread. This is so good.
I'm glad you do too.
Like, it's crumb fresh with salmon. And then I put a pickle on it, but I took a bite already. And then the pickled onions, I think those are. Food came. Jacob went to the restaurant, but he got fried chicken. Liam got steak. Grandma got fried chicken. Justin got ribs, right? Ribs. And then I got random appetizers because I forgot my EpiPen. I was going to do a crab roll, but I forgot my EpiPen, so I did appetizers. Look at the beignets. The food was so incredibly delicious. I love it there. If you're ever in Napa, please do yourself a favor. Go to Farmstead.
Pretty?
And then also get the beignet. I hope I showed you the beignet, but girl, if I did it, it's because my big back was so excited about it. They use these ingredients for the restaurant. Like, they literally, like, I guess that's why it's called Farmstead. It's like more like farm to table, I think. Look at those tomatoes. Look at you climbing up that tree. Go ahead, honey, you do you. We were tourists and took pictures here. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, we've driven by it so many times and we were like, oh, we're not going to take a picture, but we don't live here no more. So we're doing all the things that we could have or should have done when we were living here. There goes the castle, but you have to drive all the way in. But it's like $89 per person and we're not doing that because we just wanted to see it for 2 seconds. This is such a cute grocery store and look at all the different olive oils. Oh, and then all the fish.
You just drop it right in the pot.
Yeah, show me, honey.
Look at these noodles. I bet those noodles
I
are
bet.
fire.
Oh my gosh. You know, I'll be making it with that Filipino soup, Mickey.
Tagliatelle.
Oh, yeah. You guys don't make fun, but show them what I'm buying and taking home on the plane. Anchovies so I can make Caesar salad. That is good. Yeah. Justin got these gummy candies.
So good. I instantly saw them and it brought me back to my childhood. I don't even know where I got them. They're like these Italian like gummy candies.
And anchovies. Susan did get olive oil and balsamic, but we did it because they're big. It's not gonna fit in my suitcase. We went here. They have an outdoor space here.
It's like
To enjoy your paletas.
strawberry or chocolate.
Oh yeah, I love that drink.
Strawberry, like,
My favorite. Just like that, we're going home with Susan.
We get to go on the train.
We're getting on the air tram. Just dropped off the rental. Waiting for the air tram. Oh, here it is. I wanted to show you the sign that said have a hood day. Hey, we got pre-check and also clear. And grandma doesn't, but they let us go through pre-check. We made it back home. Liam found a piano. Tell me why my kitties love grandma. They're scared of all humans that are not us, like legit. My babies, you like grandma? I knew it. I've been talking to them, telling them you were gonna visit us, Susan. Anyways, friends, have a good night. It's late. It's like 10 something. The boys are about to shower. We're all gonna shower. Okay, see, I told you your fur grandbabies would love you. Hello, friends. The boys are still showering. I do not know what they're doing. Oh my gosh, I finally got to wash my wedding rings. I have this like ultrasonic cleaner. And I put it in there every night, like while I'm showering, and I put it through there. Girl, I don't know why I even told you. It's just one, it's just small things. It's like those little things that you like look forward to when you're at home. That's one of the things I really look forward to. Low key, high key. Justin knows this, but I also look forward to sleeping in our bed because I really love staying in California and staying in Susan's house, the bed is smaller, and so Justin and I be touching each other in our sleep. And then one time I made him turn around. I made him turn the other way. I'm like, face the other way. And you know, mind you, he has like a whole CPAP, but at least it's not loud. But yeah, I don't know, just random tangents. But yeah, I'm so happy to be back home and to have Susan here and to have my comfy pajam-jams on. I bought these at TJ Maxx. Girl, it comes with matching shorts. I'm not showing you the rest because, you know, unless I have some coverage. But yeah, I don't know. I think we're on California time now because it is 11 something p.m. and I'm not tired. I'm not sleepy. But when we got to Susan's house, the first night I was so tired. The first 2 nights I was tired. This is nice. You know I cleaned this rug, but look. We took a walk after dinner and now we're having smoothie. Good morning, friends. So I came downstairs with my blue lipstick and the boys were all like, oh, that's why you have blue lipstick on, mommy. And I told them, well, it matches my top. I just feel like it would look so good. And Liam's like, yeah, but I think light blue would look better. And then I told them, oh, it's like a peel off, like lip color. You peel it off and then it becomes like a different color, pink or something like that. But they was cool with my blue. All right now, I like it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how the cats are so comfortable with Susan. You guys don't understand, like whenever anyone comes to our house, they hide. When like literally any family member comes, they literally hide. Friends, they hide. They all hide. But Susan, they're over there following her to the bathroom. They're following her to her room. Whenever she's downstairs, they're up the stairs, like looking down, like, oh, is she going to come back up? I'm like, dang. I know I prepped the cats that grandma was coming, but I did not know that they was going to be that obsessed. And I love it. I love it so much. We just ordered some groceries. I love it. Like, I ordered groceries while we were having breakfast. Like, I made eggs. The boys ended up making some eggs because they like to help. And we were just working with whatever groceries we had for breakfast. But now we have a lot. And I'm going to make salmon niçoise for dinner and some chicken thighs. Hoping I get that so that I can marinate it for a long time. Salmon niçoise, the one by Ina Garten, that one. But I don't like her dressing. I think her dressing is actually quite nasty because I followed it to a T and I didn't like it. So I make up my own. I add chicken bouillon, Parmesan cheese. Girl, I add the brine from the olive oil. Girl, I really don't know what I put in there, but maybe I'll film today and then I'll show you guys. Yeah. So it took a while to remove the lip peel and some could not come off and then my fingers would get stained. So I used a tweezer, but what happened was even the tweezer couldn't peel some off and it, you know, I'm not trying to pinch my lips. So I used a Q-tip with water and it took it out. And then I used one of these guys with water. It took it out. And then I put some Summer Friday lip gloss on top. And the color is gorgeous. I love it. It's beautiful, but it takes forever. Like for it to peel off, for it to dry. So it's not like my everyday. Because even if I were to do it first thing in my makeup routine, I still finish fast because I do my makeup in like 5 to 10 minutes now. Not even 10, like more like 5, honestly. Especially when I had eyelash extensions, it was faster. I just added more time because I did like DIY lash extensions today. But girl, I love the color. It's beautiful. Anyways, I just got to put some powder because you know me. I'm an oily girl. I got some oily skin. Look at my cute little Huda puff. Alrighty, we got our groceries. Girl, why does Justin need 3 coffees? Here's the thing, we have a coffee machine, but of course we still like getting coffee different places. But this is Justin's routine. 2 o'clock, he has his afternoon coffee. But it has to be a cold brew, and it has to be one of these guys, or we go to some coffee place. That's just his routine. Me, I love a matcha, but I don't make matcha. I do have matcha powder, but I haven't made it at home, so maybe I should try. Yes, baby. Was there enough chips outside?
The chips is already full.
Oh, it's full? Okay. Jacob was refilling the chips outside, you know, for our delivery friends. And our gardeners don't really come and get stuff. Like, I need to change the sign because I don't know if it say gardeners. We should write pest control, gardeners, like everything, you know what I mean? And then maybe, oh, this is for salmon niçoise. And then maybe, yeah. Did I tell you how the cats love Grandma Susan? I got you more lemons, Susan. And hopefully they got the turmeric, because Susan does like a lemon, turmeric, honey concoction, right, for the morning.
Anything?
Oh no, not yet, sweetie, but I'll let you know. What is it good for? Like your health? Like is it for your liver? Your heart? I need to do that too. Inflammation. Okay, y'all heard it here. Turmeric, water, lemon juice, and honey, she said. So do that too. And pepper. Alrighty, my friends. For lunch, we're having egg salad. Grandma says she's into her salad lately, so salad with egg salad. And then we have the spinach under, and then like a spring mix on top. Y'all, I've been throwing down rice, orange, I made bread, salmon niçoise, watermelon, I made the dressing, and then, honey, can you lift this up for me? Oh, excuse me. Inappropriate. Chicken and salmon.
Honey, give us a tour of everything you cooked.
Sure. Hold on the flies.
Yeah.
Rice, some salmon, 2 kinds of special spice. Lemon pepper is like more accurate for the salmon niçoise. The barbecue chicken,
Oh my
some
God.
bread on the bread
Look at
machine.
this fresh bread.
Oh, I made the dressing.
Yeah.
And then some watermelon. And these oranges are so good.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
Thank
it.
you, honey.
So we took a walk after
You wanna do it one
dinner,
at a time?
and now we're having smoothie. This is nice. You know I cleaned this rug, but look. Look at my big papa sitting on my lap. I just released the vlog. You guys are probably watching it.